It's the 10 crack commandments. Wow. Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack, this weed, and my hustling niggas. Niggas on the corner, I ain't forget you niggas. My triple B niggas. I've been in this game for years. It made me an animal, it's rules to this shit. I wrote me a manual, step-by-step booklet for you to get your game on track, not your wig pushed back. Un hombre uno, one that no one know.
Hey, my name's Anthony, it's my bike check. Alright, we got a Thrasher, large, 53. Over here we got some Volume Tricksters, I love them. Colt grips, demo, stem, it's upside down, and FSA headset. Got a Fu Manchu fork, spray painted because it was silver. Over here we got an MTX 29er, lace to unknown hub with a 40C Randa. Over here we got demo 160 cranks, Treelight 33.2 sprocket, KMC cool chain. Right here we got demo PC plastic pedal. They're plastic, ride plastic pedals. We got some barrel straps. Over here another MTX 29er, lace to unknown 14mm slotted. And let's flip it around. Right here we got a Federal pivotal seat. We got Volume seat post, black label peg with the F&B hub guard. Right here we got Snafu pedals, borrowed, thank you Brendan. Another burrow, and a animal peg. And then we got also a very loose mid demo bottom bracket. And that's my bike check.
How much dough you hold? Cause you know that try to breed jealousy, especially if that man fucked up. Get your ass stuck up. Number two, never let them know your next move. Don't you know bad boys move in silence and violence, taken from your eyes. I done squeeze mad clips at these cats for their grits and chips. Number three, never trust nobody. Your mama set that ass up, properly gassed up, hoodie and masked up. For that fast buck, she be laying in the bushes to light that ass up.